So back to the real estate market updates. We're having some changes in our market, so thought we would talk about them. Going back to reviewing the market every month. This will be on our YouTube channel, and it will also be on the blog with more information. So remember that when we talk about our market, we are talking about the greater western North Carolina area, and we usually focus on Buncombe and Henderson County. Our stats, when I look at them, I base primarily, most of them are based on single family homes, 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, somewhere between 1,200 to 2,800 square feet and an acre or less. That is the average home that most people are looking at. Going to do something a little bit different. We are going to start off with the national view. In June, our median home price nationally was $427,000. All right, $427,000. That is up by 4% in 1 year. So nationally, house prices have gone up even with the increased interest rates. Our inventory nationally is now 4.1 months, and that is about a month more than what was there last year. So inventory is going up a little bit nationally, and so is house prices. Now let's look at the state of North Carolina. In the state of North Carolina, the median home price is $375,000. All right, that again is up over the past year by about 4%. Our inventory has gone up statewide to 4.23. So that's a slight increase in inventory as well. Now, let's look at the Asheville metro area. That includes Buncombe County, Haywood County, Henderson, and Madison County. All right. So the median house price is $494,000, and that is only a slight little bit up. You can see what it was last year, just a little bit up from last year by about 8%. In 1 year, 8%, that's pretty good, really. If you're an investor, that's a pretty good return on your investment in 1 year. The inventory is 3.2. Now remember, we've got all of these counties that we're talking about. That's an increase year over year of 28%. So the trend that we're seeing is house prices continue to climb even as the inventory climbs a little bit. The inventory is still low. That's why house prices are climbing. All right, let's check out Buncombe County. Buncombe County. This is where it offsets the Henderson and Haywood County. Buncombe County's median home price in June is $540,000. $540,000. That is a little down month over month by almost 2% for what it was in the height of COVID, but it still has continued to rise year over year. All right, and the inventory is 3.52 for Buncombe County. I like this little graph here. It shows you it's still a seller's market, but we're moving up a little bit to the balanced market where we used to be hanging out way over here. All right, folks, remember Buncombe County is 540, so let's see what Asheville City is. Asheville City, 542. In the past, we had seen Asheville City to be significantly different than Buncombe County. Now, the housing shortage, even though our inventory increased just a slight bit, it's still under 6 months inventory. The housing shortage has pushed people outside of the Asheville City limits and caused those prices to climb. Thought we'd check out Canton, because Canton, since the paper mill, what's been going on since the paper mill closed in Canton? Well, house prices have gone crazy. The median home price is now $453,000. The inventory has gone down to 2.2. It's has climbed month over month a little bit with the inventory coming up because of the sale of the paper mill. Houses did go on the market, but the inventory is still very low. So let's talk about the takeaways with that. We are seeing a shift in the market. The inventory is increasing slightly, not a lot. It's still a seller's market, but if you're a seller, you know, when you could literally just, I'm going to try out this price and see if somebody will take it, and then you get multiple offer. We're not seeing that. Now, if you're below the median home price, below 500, those houses are still selling fast, and you may get multiple offers in those. But if you're up there in that price range, 700 and up, it is possible, especially when you get into the million plus price range, that your house might be on the market 90 days. Now, it's a little weird because the market is definitely based on location and condition, and some of the houses above the 700s and even into the millions can go under contract in 2 days, and others we're seeing, you know, about 100 days on them. So that's a little weird area. And then that zone between 550 and 700, some of those houses can go under contract the minute that they are listed, and others are staying even longer. So that's a little odd area that we need to look at. If you are an investor, that's probably a zone you don't want to be in. You want to find yourself in the mid fives when you get finished with your rehab, or go ahead and get up there and new construction on the high end, up 900 and up. So the big takeaway is that even with the interest rate, prices have continued to increase. All right. So if you're going to be thinking about moving to Asheville and you're saying, or maybe you live in Asheville and you're saying, I'm just going to wait to sell my house until the prices go down so I can buy another house, or that's not going to happen very much. The prices might go down a couple of thousand, maybe even 10,000, but across the board, prices in Buncombe County are not going down. They're going up. So just know that. If you want to dive deeper, please be sure to check out our blog on the website, and or just email me. I have a vast amount of PDFs and graphs, a little bit of a geek out on stats. Enjoy the rest of your day, and hope to see you soon.